Do better than that. Come on, one more time.
Let's
Oh,
go.
hey, Chief Seattle.
Welcome, everybody. Please give a round of applause to my co-host right here. Give it for my man, Fiafia.
Mahalo.
Happy Monday to all of you. Welcome to the Luau. I hope you're ready for the night. Is everybody ready to have a good time tonight? Let me ask you one more time. Are you ready to have a good time tonight? Can everyone please say Luau? At Luau, we say happy celebration. We're going to start everything right here on the main stage with some cultural presentation. So please give a big hand to our warriors that will help me make this happen. Let's give a big hand to our warrior Tamatoa Ave on my right side, our warrior Natiali on the left side. We live off the land, grow our own food, go to the mountains and harvest. Bring home taros and bananas, sweet potatoes, everything is carried this way, all the way from the mountain to the village. When we arrive in the village, it is also our responsibility to prepare food for the family. So what that means in our village, ladies don't cook. The men do all the cooking for the family. It's part of the culture. We don't know when it's going to change. If you like that, ladies, then please come to the village, because all the men are moving to New York. So we'll show you how to weave the coconut basket with strictly coconut leaves, just like what our warriors are doing right now on both sides. We do get to save the middle part or the backbone of the leaf. This is actually used to make the tongs, the iofi. As we cook in the ground oven, we can pick up hot rocks and things. Just cut this in half. Hit the center part, ladies and gentlemen. That becomes the tongs, the iofi. Let's give a round of applause to our warriors. Tamatoa on my right, Natiali on the left side. So we'll show you how to weave the coconut basket. You can learn it from where you're sitting. If you have any questions, then please keep them to yourselves. Here we go.
Let's go, let's family. Let the party begin. The man that y'all came to see tonight, right here in the middle, High Chief Cielo Abel. He's the master of ceremony. He'll be taking care of us the rest of tonight's event. And also, you saw these two guys work. Right here, my man Tamatoa and Natia Lee family. These two guys work very hard and work very fast, and also very skilled with that sharp knife. Everything's under direction of High Chief Cielo Abel. Please don't put those cameras down, family. Let's keep it rolling. Mahalo, and welcome again to your happy celebration. Come on, family, let's go. Hey, check this out. My man, how you feeling?
I feel good.
Okay, what's on your mind then? Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, family, that is the happy call. What do you think? How about a hand for my man, Natia Lee? I heard some of you out there. Now, it is our turn, family. We can do this. On the count of 3, let's hear it. 1, 2, 3! Not bad. Not bad. I think so, Chief. We can do better than that. You know, I know what can help us. Maybe take one more sip of that Mai Tai. Like my man right here, yes, or whatever you have on the table. Now, family, we need everyone on this one. Let's dig deep. On a count of 3, let's wake up Waikiki. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We are ready, family. And just like that, our basket is complete. Give it one more time for our hard-working chief, High Chief Cielo Abel, my man Tamatoa, and my man Nati Ali. Mahalo, family. All right.
Part of our daily living, do the cooking and do the weaving. While in the islands, you can make your own shopping basket like this. That way you don't have to pay extra. You're going to go shopping? Come and get it while it's free. Please give another round of applause to our warriors. Tamatoa and Natali. Not only that, we do the cooking and do the weaving, but when food is ready, we serve it. Serving the food. We make plates. That plate is made out of 2 sets of leaves. The idea of making this plate is to cross-weave the leaves. It's not hard to do. I can do this in less than a minute, but our warrior's been away for a while. We give him a little more time. Please hurry up. We can weave clothing. We can weave clothing out of these leaves. We can make hats, cover the huts we live in by using a lot of these. But for this plate or the ma'ilo, after you cross-weave them, tie the knot on one side and then trim the extras. And that become the plate. Let's give another round of applause to our instrumental, naturally, on my left side. As you arrive at your table, there's a headband for you. Just want to let you know that we spent a few hours last night. Make sure all of you get the souvenir. How about a big hand to our warriors for staying up and weaving all your headbands. Your headband lasts for a long time. The only thing that will change is the color. It will turn brown. But if you want to keep it green, spray paint it. Spray it. This is the beginning of the famous tree that we're talking about, family. You plant this today, it will take 3 to 5 years to grow, and they produce. Once they started producing, they'll continue to give you coconuts for the rest of your life. Because the coconut tree can survive for over 100 years. That's why we call it the tree of life. As you arrive in the islands, you look up in the coconut trees, and you don't see many coconuts on the trees, and you wonder why. We remove all the coconuts so they won't fall on you. Those things are heavy. You guys want to see coconuts, come to our village because our trees are loaded. Every time people come to the village, we tell them to stay away from the trees. Because if you get hit by coconut in the village, it's your own fault. Sometimes you get hit by a coconut and there's no tree. It means you're in the wrong hat. Everybody please say coconut. This is the right one here. You can tell it's right by the color. Turn brown like me when it's ripe. You can remove the husk of the coconut using this little object right here. We call it the melee. Everybody please say melee. In English, sharp stick. Just stick them in the ground. First thing you do, press it in like this. And second, you have to push it down on the side. Be careful. Be careful. Follow too steady. And that was in slow motion for your convenience. The record for me in Hassan coconut is 3 seconds. Ladies, 2 days. That's why we cook. You want to crack this in 2? You look for the face. Just want you to look for the face of the coconut. I hope you can see it from where you're sitting. There's 2 small eyes, mouth and nose of the coconut right here. And family, there's a legend how this face came about, but it's too long. So we skip it. But to crack this in 2, follow the line that runs between the eyes right here. All you do is get a hard object and hit across this line in the middle. Using the hammer or knife, screwdrivers. Some people throw it down the concrete floor, or you can try this little object, a small rock. We call it ma'a. Everybody please say ma'a. Come on, family, let's learn the language. Ma'a. This is popo and ma'a. Everybody?
Ma'a. Popo.
Oh, oh.
Ma'a. Ma'a, ma'a, ma'a. Popo, popo, popo. Ma'a, popo, ma'a, popo.
All right, family. When you ma'a your popo, look for the line. Now, what's coming out is not milk. This is actually fresh coconut juice. Very good to drink. We call it 7-Up because there's no caffeine. Never have, never will. You want to try some juice? Come to me. Thanks for coming to me. How are you? You tried this before? You did? This is the best. Try it, see if you like it. Fresh coconut juice. Drink the whole thing. And tomorrow you're gonna look like me. Let's give him a round of applause. Just keep these up. And then we do cooking with coconuts, ladies and gentlemen. We soften the meat just like what Tomato is doing right now. Why? The process of getting coconut milk. That's how we get that coconut milk. You can make your own fresh coconut milk just by softening the meat like this. And then you pull out fibers from the coconut husk. Use it as a strainer. So you can use these fibers to gather the meat, then roll them up and squeeze it. Everybody please say milk. Ladies and gentlemen, this is 100% coconut milk. There you go. And if you leave this milk in the sun for 5 days, this will change. This become coconut oil. Just add good smelling flowers, leave in the sun to get the good smelling oil. Let's give a round of applause to our warriors. Tamatoa and Natalie. Just the beginning of the luau tonight. We're doing this together. We're going to have some fun. Everyone, please give me a loud aloha. Aloha means hello, goodbye means I love you. First part, what is alo? Everybody say alo. Alo means we face to face. I alo you, you alo me. We are aloing each other. Everybody, please alo me. No, just look at me. Look at last part, what is ha? Everybody say ha. Ha is the breath of life. So when you say aloha, means more than just hello or goodbye. Do me a favor. Please turn to the person next to you. Shake their hands and say aloha. That is your friend and family for the rest of the night. Can everyone please give me a hang loose above your head? Everyone. Please don't do this. This is hangover. Ladies, don't leave it here because this means call me tonight at midnight. Everybody above your head. In the count of 3, please yell out, hang loose. In the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, hang loose. This means take it easy and have a good time. Is everybody happy? Yeah. Then if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. That's how we make music. We clap hands, we sing songs. Everyone, please put your hands together for me. Everyone, come on, everybody put your hands together. You know, I said put them together. Just go ahead and rub your hands like that. Rub your hands like this. Warm up your hands. When you clap, brings out a better sound. This is called mili. Everyone say mili. Mili, mili means rub your hands. When I say pati, please give me one clap. Pati. Beautiful. Pati. Mili. This is how we select people for sacrifice. To Mr. Kevin, we say, now please clap your hands and do this. This is the low sound. It's called po. Everybody say po. Everybody try the po. Keep going. Sound good? Now pati. Can you tell the difference? Po. Please give me 2 po, 1 pati. Here we go. And everyone sing it. Sing it. Oh yeah. Please stop singing. Family, that's the right song. Wrong village. Please give yourselves a round of applause. Congratulations, everybody. Once again, welcome to the luau. You know, earlier in the day, we sent our men to cook the pig in the ground oven. It's ready. How about a big hand to our men bringing the roasted pig to the stage? Please get your cameras ready. It is time to witness and see what's cooking for the feast tonight. We have up here a well-done roasted pua'a.
Yes, yes, family. There you have it. Please keep those cameras out. Keep it rolling. This will be a perfect photo right here with our handsome chief and our warriors to take back home with you tonight. Enjoy yourself, family. Mahalo, and welcome again to your happy celebration. All right.
before we get to enjoy the food tonight. It is customary that we must give a thanksgiving to God, our Father in heaven, for blessing all of us. We're here to celebrate a good time as well as blessing of the food. If you can join me, I will offer a word of prayer. And I will do this in my native tongue. Let's bow our heads and let's pray. Let's turn our to my way. See after we England Fiafia mo few. Fiafia mo mo Fiafia no you full from. Ling may your family yati mato malava in your mato sound le mo Fiafia si. May I mo mato mo ne Fiafia no from Fiafia. I mo ay sa mato chinamanos. Fa wa chuchu mo when I may sa mato ona mo la fear. Pasisilia family yang na ye wasang niya. Chelsea mang sala mato ti fa yeleas o maleas. Pa mangalit mato ni toto no wat pelo Yesu Kristo. Wolin bal our training. Amen. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please give another round of applause to our work stage team and ready for the feast. So I hope you're hungry. Is everybody hungry? Can we please give a round of applause to our chef and everyone that prepared the food. Come on, fam. They can hear us. They also know that tonight is all you can eat. Take your time. Enjoy the feast, ladies and gentlemen. Kindly remain seated. We do have our friendly staff that will come and take a table by table so you can enjoy the feast tonight. Have fun, everybody. We have a great show coming up for you. Mahalo and aloha. And thank you. Thank you very much.
Family, before we let Chief go, just want to let you know, High Chief is well known around the world for being one of the #1 entertainer family and also one of the funniest. Come on, one more time for our hardworking team. High Chief Cielo. There. Thank you, Chief. Woo. Wow, we've done a lot already. Got some nice baskets, family. But let's keep it rolling. It is dinner time. My favorite time. Yes. Who's hungry? Yeah, we all hungry. Okay. I got my man Puli. He's going to take you table by table. And don't worry, family. We got lots of food available. It's a buffet style. You can go back as much as you need. Again, you've been given drink tickets. You got those green and purple drink tickets. All the drinks is towards the back corner. Water and fruit punch at the Tiki Bar. Don't miss out on our souvenir stand. We got some beautiful artwork. Also, our restroom. This is the one we got to remember, family. Our restroom. Right back over that bridge to your left. But other than that, please sit back, relax. We got High Chief and our talented musicians. We'll be back shortly to serenade you throughout your dinner time. Mahalo again, family, and aloha. Mahalo.